In this video, I'm going to show you how to free up storage on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So all of a sudden, your Windows storage could fill up and nothing can be done except when you delete some files, whether you're valuable files or not. So in this case, I'm going to reveal to you how to see what is gulping up your Windows storage and how you can easily delete all these files without deleting the root files on your Windows computer. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to free up storage or access your Windows storage management on your computer is click on the start button. So this could be on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Then once that is selected, go ahead and select the settings button. Now once selected settings, come down to this side and make sure you select system. Now on selecting system, you need to scroll down and select storage. Now once you click on storage, you should see your Windows storage loads. Here you can see I have my local disk C having about 476 GB, and here are my storage consumptions. On desktop, app and features, others, and then temporary files. So in this case, I have about 189 MB worth of temporary files out of 9.26 GB. And here, other files on my Windows 11 computer gobs about 1 GB out of 92.6. And here, desktop is taking about 17.9 GB out of 92.6. And if we check the apps and features, you see this is gulping about 25 out of 92. Now, if you found any discrepancy here in your file storage, all you just need to do is select any one you want to check and see what is gulping up your computer storage here. Then let's say you want to check the apps and features. Once you click on that, this is going to take you to your apps and features on your Windows computer. Now to see which of this application is taking most of your storage, all you need to do here is click on this sort by option and then select by size. Then once you choose by size, this is going to rearrange your Windows apps and features by size and see what is taking most of your app storage. Here you can see I have the Microsoft OneDrive taking about 322 MB. So if I have unnecessary files in there, I can just go ahead and delete this file. And here you see I have the Microsoft Store, photos, calendar and mail, movie and TV is taking about 11 MB. Now to see more of this on this apps and features, just click on this three dots, then go ahead and install, or click on the three dots. If there is an advanced option available, you click on advanced options. This is going to take you to advanced option, the specification, and how it is consuming your Windows battery. However, to clear up storage on your Windows computer, all you need to do here is locate unwanted files here and make sure this file is uninstalled or deleted. That's under apps and features. And another thing you want to consider is you want to check what you have on your desktop. Then go ahead and click on View Desktop. Here you have access to everything you have on the desktop. Then I have the Windows, I have published videos, I have new videos and images. So these are my files. Then I can now come back again, hit the back button, and then check the other folder and see what you have in your other folders. Here I have the document, the link, and searches. So and this is about 1 GB storage. So this is nothing to talk about. Here you now have access to all your Windows storage files. Now to manage your Windows storage files automatically, this will automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available content on cloud. Make sure you enable storage sense. So with this enabled, your Windows space will be managed automatically and spaces will be freed up automatically. Temporary files will be deleted and all locally cloud content will be managed as well. Then to clean up storage on your Windows computer, you need to just come here and click on clean recommendation. Then click on check this. Then you can just go ahead and click on clean up. However, you can clean up will also remove system files that are not in use. Then you can click here to see the advanced options. You see system files that are not in use. So you can just go ahead and click on remove files. Then tap continue. There you go. Then come back again. You can see there's no more temporary files. So if you come back to your storage, you should have a bit more of storage here. Now again, you can just press the Windows button and hard. Then type CMD. So once you type the CMD here, click on OK. Here you'll be taken to the command prompt on your Windows. Then you want to tap clean MGR, that is clean manager, enter. Then this is going to open your Windows cleanup manager just like this. Then you should see files that you need to clean up here. You can see thumbnail is just 1 MB and temporary files is about 44.9 MB, and this is locked. So this is going to be handled by your Windows computer itself, and you see I have nothing in my delivery optimization file, recycle bin, temporary files, and then I have about 1 megabyte worth of thumbnails. So if you have something here, all you just need to do here is go ahead and select all these files, and then go ahead and then click on OK, then click on clean up system files. Once you click on clean up system files, this is going to clean up your system files. You see this? So this is going to clean up your system files, and then after that, then you should see what we have here. So this is how you can easily clean up storage on your Windows computer. So this can easily help you to free up more storage and remove or clean up unwanted storage on your Windows computer. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.